Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the realm of automotive emergencies, a reliable car jump starter is akin to a knight in shining armor, ready to rescue your vehicle from the throes of a dead battery. With the evolution of technology, these compact devices have become indispensable companions for drivers, offering not just the ability to jumpstart a car, but also a myriad of additional features for convenience and safety. Among the vast array of options on the market, we've curated a list of the top 5 best car jumpstarters, each boasting exceptional performance, durability, and versatility. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip or navigating the urban jungle, these jumpstarters are poised to be your steadfast ally in times of automotive distress. Number 5. GEEK Car Jumpstarter. The GEEK Car Jumpstarter is an indispensable tool for any driver, offering reliability, convenience, and peace of mind in emergency situations. As a seasoned road warrior, I've come to appreciate the importance of having a reliable jumpstarter handy, and the GEEK model certainly doesn't disappoint. First and foremost, its impressive peak current of 1200 A means it can tackle even the most stubborn of dead batteries with ease. Whether you're dealing with a gas engine up to 6.0 L or a diesel engine up to 4.0 L, this jumpstarter has you covered. The fact that it boasts a starting current of 600 A ensures swift and efficient ignition every time. Number 4. GKFLY GGJS19 Car Jumpstarter. First and foremost, the GGJS19 boasts impressive specifications. With a peak current of 600 A and a start current of 300 A, it has the capability to jumpstart both petrol cars under 5.0 L and diesel cars under 3.0 L with ease. This level of power ensures that I never have to worry about being stranded due to a dead battery. One of the standout features of this jumpstarter is its versatility. In addition to its primary function of jumpstarting vehicles, it also doubles as a multifunctional device. The built-in SOS lighting and warning light are incredibly useful in emergency situations, providing visibility and alerting other drivers on the road. Furthermore, the built-in LED lighting is handy for illuminating dark areas, whether it's under the hood of my car or during outdoor activities at night. The inclusion of USB ports is also a thoughtful addition, allowing me to charge my electronic devices on the go. Number 3. UTRAI Jstar 1 Car Jumpstarter. First off, let's talk about its design and build quality. The UTRAI Jstar 1 boasts a sleek and compact design that doesn't take up much space in my car. Despite its small size, it feels sturdy and well made, giving me confidence in its durability. One of the standout features of this jumpstarter is its impressive power output. With a peak current of over 1200 A and the ability to jumpstart gas engines up to 8.0 L and diesel engines up to 6.5 L, this device packs a serious punch. I've used it to jumpstart my car multiple times without any issues, and it gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Number 2. BUVAYE TS03 Car Jumpstarter. The BUVAYE TS03 Car Jumpstarter is a compact yet powerful device that offers peace of mind for any road trip or emergency situation. As a proud owner of this jumpstarter, I can confidently say that it has exceeded my expectations in terms of performance and reliability. One of the standout features of the TS03 is its impressive peak current of 1000 A, which ensures a swift and efficient jump start for vehicles of all sizes, from sedans to SUVs. This high level of power, coupled with its 90% conversion rate, guarantees reliable performance when you need it most. Number 1. GOOLOO GT3000 Car Jumpstarter. First things first, let's talk about the design and build quality. The GT3000 is compact and sturdy, making it easy to store in your car without taking up too much space. The construction feels robust, giving you confidence that it can handle the rigors of roadside assistance without any issues. When it comes to performance, the GT3000 doesn't disappoint. With a peak current of 3000 A, it has more than enough power to jumpstart even larger vehicles, including gas engines up to 10.0 L and diesel engines up to 8.0 liters. The fast charge feature is a lifesaver, allowing you to get back on the road quickly without any downtime. Thanks for watching this video.